Hello everyone, this is Kyle from WeTechCareOfYou, and today I'm going to show you just a quick enhancement to the invoice generator. Now, this is a request that we've received from a lot of people, so I thought I'd just do a video instead of constantly sending the code out. You can just get it, and I'll put the code in the description of the video as well. Basically, what we're going to do is just in this part here, when you've put your amount in and you've put your units in, we're just going to make a change so that when you add the row, it does the calculation. So say, for example, I put 2 here and I put 100 here. When you click add row, it'll automatically set it to 200 as the amount. Now, as I said, this has been a massive request from a lot of people, which is why I'm doing the video, and it's not actually that big of a change, so we'll just get straight into it. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the add row button here. I'm just going to do a few changes to this code, which should make the change. So basically what we want to do is if you want to, these 2 rows here, we can just delete. And then I'm just going to add some new rows at the start of this. So basically, first what we want to do is we want to set a variable. So I'm going to call this RemoveDollarVariable. And I am going to substitute total amount input.text. Okay, so that's our first row. So basically what we're going to do here is, because when we've selected to add our amount, it formats it with the $ and the ampersand and the comma. What we're going to do is we're just going to remove all of that so we can do the calculation when it's added. So the next one I'm going to do is another set variable, RemoveCommaVar, and we want to substitute again. We want to substitute that RemoveDollarVar, and we're going to remove the comma. Then next we're going to do the calculation. So set So we're going to set CalculateVar. We're going to take that RemoveCommaVar, so that's just the value of what the amount was. We're going to do a times, and then we're going to do a value of what's in that UnitsInput.Text. Close your brackets, and that's that. Then finally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that variable again to add all of that functionality again. So I'm going to do set NewPriceVar As I said, I'll put all of this code in the description of the video. And we want to close again. Okay. So that's what we need to add to the start. So basically, yeah, we take that formatted value, we remove the $, remove the comma. Oh, something's errored. Remove the $, remove the comma. We make that calculation, set that to a variable, and then we put all of that formatting back on that new price. I just need to see why this is not working. InvoiceRowsCollection. So what we want to do here is what we then collect in the ColTotalAmount. We want to put that as the NewPriceVar. That's the new calculated price. And then down here we want to change this raw var 2 to be the new price var again. I do apologize, this is a bit messy. I mean, I guess, you know, it's how this was built a long time ago, and I'm just sort of doing these enhancements on it. And we also want to change this raw var 2 to also the new price var. Okay, that's the error there. I'll close that bracket. Or that bracket. Okay, so that seems to be working. And then just one other thing I just want to add in. We want to set VarUnits .text. Okay, so that's just a couple of changes that we need to make. Let me just give this a test. So if I now just put 2 units here, and I put $100 there, so that's changed it to 100. If I now select that row, there you can see it's recalculated that to be 200, and it's calculated that units. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Thank you.